In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a digital product on Gumroad. Now, I'll show you here what you need to do step by step, and at the end of it, you'll be able to list your digital product for sale. So what you need to do is go to gumroad.com. So just either search for Gumroad on Google or just type in this domain. Now, once you're here, click Start Selling in the top right-hand corner, and you can create your account if you haven't already. Now, with Gumroad, anyone can earn their first dollar. So what we need to do is click Start Selling and fill in some basic information. So you want to go ahead and enter in an email and password. Then you can go ahead and create your free account. Once you've entered in your email, you then need to verify it. I'd recommend you just do that first and get it out of the way with. Okay, so now we've got our email confirmed, we can now go ahead and create our first product and upload our digital product. So go to Create Your First Product, and then you can go ahead and enter in a name. For me, I'm just going to enter in a YouTube thumbnail, like a template, as an example. So we'll call this YouTube Thumbnail Template. I'm going to select Digital Product, and you can then price your product. So I'll just price it at $100. You can also change the currency if you want to, whatever currency you're happy with. Then go to Next and Customize. And then what you can do, you can go ahead and give your product a name and a description, and also a URL which will go to that page. So I just try Thumbnail Template YT. Also, I recommend you upload a cover. It should be horizontal, at least 1280 by 720. You can create one of these in Canva. I've got many videos showing you how to create free images on Canva. Now, to actually upload your product, you want to go ahead and scroll up and go to Content, and here you can enter the content you want to sell. Upload your files or start typing. So if you want to sell some products and you want to upload them, go to this button here where it says Insert File. Insert Computer Files. Then you can go ahead and choose what product you want to upload. In my case, I'm going to upload a thumbnail template. You can upload any zip file or product, it really doesn't matter. Click Open, and that's pretty much all you've got to do. You'll know your product will be uploaded when this gets to 100%. So there we go. The product's being uploaded. Again, make sure you go to the product page and you fill out all of this, including the thumbnail, more product information, and the pricing. Once you're happy with everything, click Save and Continue, and then Publish and Continue. Now your product has been uploaded, and we can go ahead and preview it by clicking Preview. So here is your product page. People can click I want this and they can buy it. Now it's important to know you need to add payment details, otherwise it's just going to go straight to the download page. You can see here is a test purchase. Right now, to add payment details to Gumroad, go ahead and scroll down on the left, go to Settings, go to Payments, and just go ahead and approve this. Then you can go ahead and connect either your bank account or Stripe, and you will incur a 10% Gumroad fee plus these fees here. Nonetheless, though, you'll be able to start selling digital products for free, and that's how you can upload them and create your listing. I hope that quick video did help you out.